Ricola!
We're basically doing a liquid Ricola. Ricola.
With booze.
Depending on what part of the state you're from. Sure. This is Troy.
This is Nate.
And using this crazy contraption from the heyday of the 1950s American cocktail party,
We're going to try each one of its recipes and find out which one of these long-forgotten libations still stands the test of time. This is the Vintage Bartender.
hey everybody. Welcome to today's episode of the Vintage Bartender. I'm Nate.
I'm Troy.
And today we're going to continue on our journey, despite all odds, to make all 80 of our cocktails from our 1950s Bar Aid cocktail Rolodex. We're doing this, dude.
We're trucking through. We're at a very lucky number.
we are indeed. Episode number 13.
Lucky number 13. Cocktail is...
It's called the bee's knees.
The bee's knees.
That's an old-timey expression.
It just has like a 50s vibe about it.
It's the
You're the bee's knees.
You're the bee's knees. Shall we learn about it, though, like in a formal capacity where...
Let's learn a little bit about the bee's knees for some history.
Let's learn about it. Throw it to the history. Bang.
The Bee's Knees is a prohibition-era cocktail made with gin, fresh lemon juice, and honey. Named after the 1920s slang meaning something outstanding or the best, this cocktail has a big name to live up to. Some say the drink was invented by Frank Meyer, the first head bartender at the Café Parisien and the Ritz Hotel in Paris in 1921. While the exact pedigree is unknown, it was likely created during Prohibition, where the addition of lemon juice and honey helped mask the harsh taste and smell of bathtub gin made at the time. This is a great gateway drink into the world of gin cocktails, so give this one a try with that bottle of gin that's been collecting dust. Now, back to making cocktails.
And we're back from the history. Bee's knees.
Bee's knees.
A little bit of historicalness for you.
Yeah. Well, that said, I'm excited to try it.
Me too.
It's a gin cocktail, so it doesn't get me too excited.
That's true.
But we got some lemon, some honey. Those are two things that can cut any flavor.
Episode number 13, the bee's knees.
Bee's knees.
We start with 1 jigger of gin.
Okay.
Relax on the ice.
Not with the ice yet?
It doesn't say so. I'm following. We can probably add ice.
I think it's safe to say that we can add some ice.
I'm just following the instructions.
It's like a tweet. There's very little space.
Trying to respect the process of what it's describing. 1 jigger of gin. 1.5
jigger of gin.
ounces. Yes. Lucky number 13. Bow.
Boom.
1 jigger of gin. We're going with the beef eater.
The beef eater.
Very, very classic. Very
classic.
I would have expected that on a 1950s bar.
Yes.
Yeah.
100%.
No, this hipster gin that we're talking about. Which
No.
Is probably better, but that's fine. 1 teaspoon of honey.
1 teaspoon of honey.
Now, don't be stingy with the honey.
I'm gonna free pour it. You tell me when you think we get to a teaspoon.
Roger that. Do it.
Anytime now.
That feels all right.
Anytime now.
I was waiting for my moment.
Okay,
And you got a
okay.
little excited.
Yeah, we're excited.
So 1 jigger gin, 1 teaspoon honey, juice of 1/4 of a lemon.
Quarter lemon. So just kind of, we're just gonna squeeze it in there. I'm not trying to get you. Well, you got some eye protection there.
Yeah, we got finger, like, you know.
Yeah.
You ever watch a cooking show?
I know, but I don't want to finger juice it.
I
Okay, so
never want to finger juice people. Put the disclaimer. Never
no
finger juice.
finger juicing.
Yep.
However, I am going to throw this into the shaker.
Give it some
to
extra-
give it a little more,
extra
some
zhuzh.
oils, some effervescence.
Some oils. What do you know about oils?
There's oils on the skin of lemon.
Yes. That's true. He's not wrong. He's weird, but he's not wrong.
He's weird, but he's not right.
All right. So our cough drop,
AKA the bee's knees.
AKA the bee's knees. 1 jigger gin, 1 teaspoon honey, juice of 1/4 of a lemon. Weird. Shake well and strain into a glass. That's some bootsy ass shake. Shake well.
Okay.
And with ice and strain into a glass.
Ready?
Is it time to shake it?
Time for shake.
Time to shake that. Shake. One more round here.
Keep it going.
That sounds good.
All right.
You worked out there.
Yeah, that was,
You're winded. Let's throw some booze after that cardio, my friend.
yes. All right.
Shake well, strain in the glass.
Bee's knees.
These knees. Looking lemony.
Looking lemony.
Looking a little pulpy. All right, let's check it out. Oh, it's time for the first sip.
It sure is.
Oh my God, I almost time for the first sip.
First sip.
First sip. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, lemon. I like that.
Got a nice lemony nose.
It's like a garden. It's like lemon, floral, gin,
It does.
honeys. Heavy lemon.
Heavy lemon.
Heavy lemon.
You get a tiny bit of sweetness.
Yeah.
Not as honey-y as I expected, especially given how much we put in there.
See, yeah.
Like that deep sweetness of the honey is lacking a little bit.
Yeah.
And then it finishes with the gin. We have had
Bee's knees.
some gin cocktails in the past,
Yeah.
which should have been thrown into the trash.
Yeah.
This one is more on the pleasant side of things. Somewhere in the middle of the road for me.
Yes.
It's good. It's different. I think what I like about it is it's different. I haven't really had something like this before.
Fair enough. For me, it's working like a lemonade that's like
It's a ginny lemon drop.
kind of, oh, there you go.
What do you think?
Does it stand the test of time? I mean, I think I'm going to go stamp, yes, does stand the test of time, but asterisk could be junked up a little
Yes.
bit.
I think this cocktail stands the test of time. And to be honest, with the bee's knees and with a name like that, I wanted to like this one just because of the name.
Sure, it's cute. It's adorable.
Yeah.
Is the drink adorable? Yeah.
Yeah. So okay.
Yeah.
So that's not.
I finished
that's
it. You know, that's a good start.
Yeah, that's tasty. But let me say we double up on the honey and see how it turns out.
Let's do it.
All right.
All right, let's try that again.
Okay.
All right. Bee's knees, extra honey,
Extra honey.
slightly more gin, same amount of lemon. See what we get. Well, this one
Cheers.
looks the same. Got a little bit of mild pulp.
First sip times 2.
For a sip, time. I like that a lot more.
I like that better.
That's a lot nicer.
That is-
It's
that is
more
nicer.
gin and more sweetness. The
Yeah.
sweetness is there. You know, you don't taste sweetness.
No.
You like experience it kind of adjacent to the other things happening,
Definitely.
right?
Yeah. So this one better.
Yeah.
And that's what making cocktails is about. Experimentation.
Tweaking the knobs.
What you're
Tweaking the dials.
Tweaking the
Flipping
dials.
the switches.
For your taste buds.
That's right.
You know what the best cocktail is?
What's that?
The one you like.
There it is. Ooh, prophetic.
That's
good.
good.
We basically
And
share,
that's where we're going to end it.
we share a brain. I'm sorry. Good night. I remember hair.
I remember here too.
I remember hair.
It wasn't too long ago. Where's Paul Mitchell when you need him?
Paul Mitchell. First, get in a time machine. Give me a few bars.
Hey everybody, welcome back to 5, 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, oh, too late in the second row.
Perfect.
This is fun.
This is, dude. We don't do this for a living.
No,
so
we
it
do
better
not.
be fun. Despite your best efforts, we're going to continue to do this.
Yeah, you can't stop us.
Can't stop. Can't stop. Won't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Shall we have another cocktail?
Yeah. Let's do the cocktail, bro.
Cock, lock, and ready to rock.
Hey, everybody. Welcome
back.
to
Sorry. Let's do it again. I was trying to do it at the same time you did, but you said something different. So let's try it again.
Lucius.
Crack the neck.
Clap me.
I actually don't ever crack my neck when I do that. It just kind of looks like I do.
Oh my god, I got my mic all like cattywampus like a goddamn savage.
Why is it on the outside of your
I am, because I don't know how to dress myself. It's basically a cough drop. Let's figure it
You
out.
feeling under the weather? Honey, grab yourself a bee's knees.
That's right. Looking lemony.
Looking lemony.
Looking a little pulpy. Bro. I am noticing yours is not as big as mine. Remix.
Wine.
We straight embarrassed ourselves just now. Anyway. Or what? Maybe?
Mic drop.
Okay.